Hey folks, how you doing? Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. I want to just give you a quick market update. You can see here after just some light consolidation at the end of the week, last week, today we finally got a much heavier day in terms of the down swipe. You know, the Dow's down 200 points, and really we're down about 1% across the board, even with oil. Really, the only strength is in gold, but everything else is getting kind of flushed out. So, from this big ramp up we've had, we haven't had really a big down day just yet. And so we'll have to be curious and careful on how we handle this. But the one thing I can say that's really good about what's happening right now is, since the market started to ramp in October, you can see the pullbacks have just been like 1 day pullbacks. We haven't had really an opportunity to reload any fresh longs. If you're a swing trader or even if you're a day trader, some longs that are not too extended. And so this 4 day pullback, what we want to do is really kind of watch this area down over here. You got your 200-day moving average, your 20-day moving average underneath. And if we can start gaining some traction around here, I think that's going to be really bullish and could send us right back up to, these kind of highs that we're at or we have been at previously. In markets, nothing is ever linear. You have to come and pull back at some point. And so what we want to do is really watch these areas. Now, what happens is if we start to really knife through and start breaking levels of support, then that would kind of take me out of what I think is just a bullish kind of pullback so far into something where I'd have a lot more red flags. But let's take a look. We had a decent day in the chat room trading them up 3,700 bucks right now. Made most of the money on hznp, SLCA, and then BCI. hznp is a good setup that I'd like to talk to you about, guys. About this is what we call like a breakaway gap today. And so with with hznp, you can see like we've gapped multiple days in a row. And so today with the market fading off, and you can see this 22 is kind of a big level. It gapped up, and you had this huge run coming up. And then once you started to roll over with this market fading down the way it is, we wanted to take a position short and then in anticipation of breaking under 22. And with that coming in, you could follow through and maybe get this thing down into the 2021 area. And so we had a really good trade on this, coming down over here. It looks like we're kind of just basing out here under 22 again. So as long as it remains under this area, potentially, there's more downside into it. So I'll be kind of watching these areas to see if we get another crack. And if we do, that's going to be huge. Another stock that we're short right now is this cstm. I got 800 shares left. But this is an awesome setup that I really like. This is our rubber band setup. And so this stock was at $3 and it's hit 850 today. And so we're short this thing. We shorted some into the spike over here and around the 8 area. And I've been trading around it a little bit and even added some more under 8. So I got like a 790 average. But it looks like this one's about to crack. And if it does, we'd have a target down over here at 750. And if it can follow through, I think this one's got even a lot more downside potentially where it could get down, over the next couple days into the 7s and 6s. So that's it for now, guys. I'm on this type of screen share all day in my chat room for my students. I have a boot camp starting, our 60-day boot camp. It is starting tomorrow at 8 p.m. We still have some spots open. It's a 60-day boot camp that is designed to teach people from A to Z on everything that I know about trading, from 1 month of coursework to a month on the simulator, to our students actually get multiple months to watch me on screen share during the day, so they can literally see how I trade. And I'm walking them through exactly what I'm doing, about the scans I run and the way that I look at stocks and my analysis of them. I'm on here talking to them, and then you get to see it in real time, which I think is really important. So, folks, email me, canal@bullsonwallstreet.com, if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you guys all there. Let's end this day. Let's end this day strong. I got a couple other stocks that I'm watching, like the COMM, and then potentially even another short in HCNP later. So take care, guys. I look forward to seeing everybody a little bit later.